Yeah, my skin could use some help. And in today's video, we're gonna take care of that. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ian. So if you've noticed, I've had quite a bit of a hiatus from YouTube. The reason for that being is at the beginning of this year, I made a promise to myself that I'm gonna make mental health a priority. I'm gonna make self-care a priority, and just be selfish and take care of myself, because if I cannot be at my best, then I can't really be there for everybody else, including you guys. So I've still been, working out, but I've added a few things to my routine as well. Meditation, flotation therapy. Wow. I hope to do a video on that on a future date, but that has really helped me out a lot. Also with, just keeping up with my basic hygiene and just trying different things to help my hygiene, help my skin. And that's where today's sponsor comes into play. Shout out to Tiege Hanley. They were nice enough to send me this clay mask here, which is a detoxifying clay mask to take away all the nasty stuff from my face and my skin. So I'm gonna show you how to apply this, how it looks on me, and how my skin looks afterwards. So let's get it. All right, guys, so here it is, the clay mask that they sent me. Now, they say you should not wash your face prior to doing this, so I didn't wash my face. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna use my 2 fingers to put it on my face. Kind of felt like I was Rambo here doing this, so to not bore you guys, I'm gonna just speed up through the process, but I'm just gonna put it all throughout my face, avoiding the hairs on my face, such as my eyebrows, my mustache, and my beard. According to the instructions that it came with, you gotta let the clay sit on your face for a good 10 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer on my Apple Watch and just chill. All right, 10 minutes has gone by and this is what it looks like. Very hard on my face. At this point, I literally cannot move my face for any kind of expression whatsoever. I did get a little bit on my beard, but that's okay. That's okay, because this is a clay mask, not a peel mask. All right, so at this point, I just gotta wash it off. I can wash it off with lukewarm water or with a wet towel. I decided to go with the lukewarm water. And again, I'm not gonna bore you with that process, so I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Now, with this being a clay mask, all you gotta do is wash it off. You don't have to worry about peeling it off and having it being caught onto your beard hairs, which have been an issue that I've heard about in the past. But again, it being clay, just gotta take some water and wash it off. If you're thorough with it, you would do a much better job than I did here. As you can see, there's still some residue on my face, so I just gotta go back and finish the job. And when you're done, just pick up a dry towel and just wipe the water off your face. Also, make sure there isn't any clay residue hanging around there, so just thoroughly dry your face. And already I can feel my skin already feels so much better than it did prior before. And here's a close-up of it. Looking good, looking good. Again, be thorough and wipe your face down till it's completely dry. So at this point, guys, even though my skin feels great, it does feel dry. And I need to moisturize my face. So I'm going to use none other than Tiege Hanley products. So I'm going to start first with the eye cream.
It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep.
Eye cream has been applied. Next up is the super serum. And guys, you don't really need a lot of this, not even a full penny size on your palm, and that can be applied throughout your face.
It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep.
And lastly, since I did this at nighttime, I'm going to use the PM Bedtime Facial Moisturizer. Again, guys, you don't need to put a lot on your palm, just a little bit, and apply it throughout your face. To me, it makes more sense to do this routine at night, right before you go to bed. I don't see a problem with you doing it in the morning. Just for me, it makes more sense to do it right before you go to bed. So what does a detoxifying clay mask do? Well, it absorbs any excess oil while also removing any dirt and impurities that may be on your face, leaving your skin looking clear, smooth, and incredibly soft, which of course adds to your overall handsomeness. So guys, definitely check out Tiege Hanley's clay mask, also with the other products that I showed in this video that can be found in their skincare system box. There's like 3 levels. You can choose which level that you want. Click on the link below and you will get 30% off plus a free gift. So all right, guys, that does it for this video. Thank you for Tiege Hanley for sending this clay mask over. I appreciate it. My skin definitely looks soft and feels a lot different. Definitely check them out. I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, stay fly and stay fit.